with first of all, okay, next week, next Sunday we will start at 8 p.m. Because we're going to break our fast first, right? So 8 p.m. we break our fast. Sorry, at 7:13 or so we break our fast, and it's time up for Maghrib. Then 8 o'clock we meet. Unless you're opt not to attend, then maybe you'll inform me lah if you decide not to attend. Okay. If that means if you decide not to, maybe for Ramadan you do not want to have the sector class, I leave it to you guys. Okay, but anyway, here we go. So we're going to move on to chapter 5 of that book, this book itself. So here we go. All right, so we're going to expand the first one. Let us try now question A and question D. A and D, please. And then you key in your answers to me, yeah? Anyone? Just send your answer to me. Let me check and see. Ryan, okay, Ryan? Okay, yeah. In case anyone is not okay, I'm just gonna show you the first step is to do this. Square. As you do more and more of this, it becomes, you will see a pattern, a very clear pattern. Inshallah, all correct except for the first term. First term means the whatever you wrote as 2a squared, that is the problem. All right. So please check. Never mind, you can move on, no problem. A times A, are you sure you get 2a, or you A plus A? Which one is it? Or you plus and times? You got to make up your mind, lady. You got to make up your mind. Cik PE dah lupa lah, Cik PE. Hey. Okay, stop. Hey, this guy. Hey, come on lah. Hey, don't forget lah. Don't joke lah, please lah, you guys. Hey. Okay, come. Stop. Okay. I show you step by step, please. Hey, Shafi'i does what now? You see, this one square, then is square is A times A. He put 2A. 5 times 5, 25, correct? But down here, okay, so now we do it like that, Shafi'i. Hey, Shafi'i, you must practice. You know that if you don't practice, it doesn't go into the long-term memory, you know. When it doesn't go into long-term memory, whatever you understand, no use, because you cannot remember. Now, this one, you must have 4 terms. When you expand this, there'll be 4 terms coming out. A times A, you get A squared. Not 2A squared, means Inshira, A times A is A squared. Then A times 5, 5A. Okay, now you must times the other one, times 5 times A, 5A. And then 5 times 5, 25. So Shafi'i, you were not consistent. On the one hand, you take A times A, you get 2A. 5 times 5, 25. Not consistent. A times A is A squared. So down here now, you simplify it. 5A and 5A, you can group them together, make it 10A. Okay, so A squared plus 10A plus 25. Okay, anyone doesn't understand? All okay? All okay? Ryan, okay? All okay, Inshira, you understand? Shafi, okay, Shafi? Shafi, you know how to do. You are champion at this. Only thing, memory, memory. And one day you might see me on the street, say, I know this man. I don't know who he is. He's a beggar, I think. Maybe you might see me, you might see that. Congratulations to Inshira. Inshira, can you do C also while waiting for the rest? Congratulations on your D. Congratulations. You do C also, huh? Wah, very fast, Inshira. Kalau dia dah marah, dia... Okay, congratulations. C is correct. Well done. Shafi'i, which one are you doing? Shafi'i do B lah. Okay, tak apa. Okay, never mind. We check your B. We check your B. Okay, all right, correct. Okay. What about Ryan? Which one have you done, Ryan? He's correct, Shafi'i. Ryan?
Doing D.
Ryan, which one are you doing, Ryan? I'm not... B, B, is it? D. D, right? Okay, what's your... Come, we do together, Ryan. We do together, come. Hold on. So you are supposed to write down like this, 7D plus 4. Okay. Oh, sorry. 7D plus 4. 7D plus 4. Okay, so you tell me what's the next step, Ryan? What times what?
7D times by 4.
Okay, you want a 7D times 4. Okay, so you get 28D. Okay, I put it in the center here. Okay, then what are you going to do after that?
7D times by 7D.
7D by 7D. So 7 times 7, you take number times number, 49. D times D squared. Okay. So now, okay, then what are you going to do after that? You already finished this first one. The second one now. 4 times?
4 times. Or 4 times 4.
4 times what?
4 times 4. No.
Okay, 4 times 4, you get 16. I put it as the last one. Okay, then 4 times one more.
7D.
4 times one more.
7D.
70, yes. So you get, correct. So you get 28D lah. 28D. So now this 28D plus 28D, you can combine them together. Okay, you get 56D. 56D. Okay. So your answer is 49D squared plus 56D plus 16. So Ryan, what do we do normally? I suggest do it this way, okay? A standardized way of, go to army next time, they ask you to strip the rifle. There's also a standardized way, what to take out first and so on and so forth. Same thing. Let us do now for expansion. We start with this first with first. Then first with second. Okay. Then second with first, second with second. Once you do this, the 16 will emerge here at the end, and the 49D will emerge first. These two, the second and third, will image in the center. It's neater. Okay, it's neater. All right, let us see now. Shafi'i is 9c squared plus 6c plus, okay, correct. Okay, stop. Okay, we are going to move on to the next question. Shafi'i, you're okay already, Shafi'i? Inshallah, okay, yeah. Okay, now we try question G lah, question G. G first, and then after that, you do I. G, then you do I. Oh. Inshi, how Inshi? Can? Oh, you just sent. Okay. I was waiting. When would you be sending? See, yeah. Okay. Well, both sent together. Same timing. Okay. All right. So we okay. You move on to I. Okay. Let me. Move on to I. Okay. Ryan, okay, Ryan? Can no, okay. Come, we do it together, Ryan. We do this one together. So you must write your bracket like that. First thing you write your bracket like that. Okay. 5m plus 2m. Okay, then again 5m plus 2m. So what's the first, what do we times together, Ryan? First one.
5 times 5.
Okay, so you take number times number. 5 times 5 is 25, right? M times M give you what?
Times n.
M times N, M squared. Right? This one is 5 times 5. M times M. Okay, then the next one now, Ryan. Next one, first times second. Number times number. 5 times 2.
10.
M times N. Just put MN together. You see, A times B is AB. A times B times C is ABC. Okay, just put it together. Okay. Of course, you say, what about M times M? M times M, no, cannot go, we must put square. Okay, because the same letter. Okay, now the next one now. So next one, we take the second one down here, times the first one. 2 times 5, Ryan.
10.
10. N times M. Make it the same like this. is M. N, put it together. I know, you see, but N times N, is it supposed to be M? N times N, is it NM? Yeah, but you follow alphabetically, yeah. Okay, follow alphabet. Then the next one, 2N times 2N. 2 times 2?
4.
4. N times N?
2.
N squared. And then this one, can you see, we just copy the same thing, 25 M squared. And the one with MN, we can add together, it becomes 20 MN, right? 20 MN. And the last one, we just copy the 4N squared. Okay, for Inshira and Shafi'i, notice this is first term, second term, third term. Let us look at your answer. Inshira, you put the second term and the third term. It's nicer to put the last term lah. Center, you put, you follow this times this first, this times this get the second, this times this get third, this times this get fourth. The first and fourth, leave them where they are. The center one you can combine or plus or minus or whatever it is. Okay, so okay, we move on to J while I check. Okay, so Ryan, you do J, don't do I. Okay, J, and Inshira and Shafi, I will check your I. Okay, stop. This one now, Inshira and I just show you last one. Okay, this one now, how to do this one. Okay, we got to be very clear. Inshira, you make one careless mistake, but let me just run through this one, and then you should be able to do this. You can use your calculator, no problem using a calculator. But apa terjadi ya? Sekejap ya. This one is P here plus 1 quarter. So let us see. Same thing. First times first. 2 times 2, 4. P times P squared. So both of you got it correct for this one. Right? Because this times this. Second one is like this. No, I'm going to do the working here. 2P times 1 over 4 like that lah. If you want to see the working, it's like that. 2P times 1 over 4. Cancel the 4, cancel the 2, get 1, this one get 2. P times 1, P over 2 lah. Half P lah. This one is also known as half P. P over 2 is half P. Okay, so half P. So the other one, then when we times this one, is also half P, right? It's the same thing. You see, 2P times quarter times 2P. Same thing. Also half P. Okay, half P plus half P. And then the last one, I have to do the last one. Okay, just in case you're not so sure, 1 quarter times 1 quarter. If you're using calculator, you say, hey, how come quarter times quarter get small number? Yes, 1 times 1 half P plus half P is not just 1. It's 1P, which is P lah. Yours, you put 1. 1P lah. 1P. You get it, Inshira? The answer. Yes, so down here is 4P squared. 4P squared plus, ya Allah, sorry 4P squared plus 4P plus 1P, which is P, 4P squared plus P plus 1 over 16. That's the answer for that. Okay, you move on to question I, please. So, Shafi'i, well done, Shafi'i. You have redeemed yourself. Shafi'i, very serious. Careful with him. So, Ryan, the working for this one is similar for J. Similar. Congratulations, Mr. Shafi. Shafi, can you try this next question over here? L. You try L, while we wait for Inshira and Ryan. Ryan, okay, Ryan, okay. Well done, Ryan. Congratulations. You just don't need 1 over 16, not 1 over 6. 1 over 16. I think you make a careless mistake there. Correct? Am I correct? Or is you see 1
I got
4?
I got 1 over 16. I forgot to put 16.
Oh, you put 16 or?
I forgot to put
1 over 16. Correct. So, okay. Well done. So, for 1Q, you don't need to write 1Q, just write Q only. Okay. So, well done. You can do it, Ryan. Well done. So, Inshira, same thing. Also, congratulations. All of you have graduated from this. We are waiting for, okay, then all of us, while Shafi is doing L. Shafi, finish L. Have not, huh? Okay, then we all will not do L. Don't do L. Don't do L. Don't do L. We do K lah. K. K, yeah. Okay. But Shafi, you give answer for both lah, Shafi. Sorry. I was on mute. I'm talking to you guys. Wondering how come no one's answering me. Okay. Ryan and Sheila, your answer for K is correct. Only thing, Ryan, you have to have your Q squared. 3 over 2Q times 3 over 2Q. So 3 over 2 times 3 over 2 is 2 and 1/4. Q times Q squared. You get it, right? Let us see Inshira. Well done, Inshira. Okay, collect a prize from your mom. Let us see Shafi'i. Shafi'i 425 P squared plus 8PQ. 8PQ, correct? Plus 100Q squared. Don't forget the squared there. 10 square times 10Q times 10Q is 10 times 10, 100. Q times Q squared. Correct? Chappy? Yes, sir. So you need to add a square there. And yeah, and your answer for K is correct. Okay, well done. Okay, congratulations. Congratulations. You all are quite good at this really. So this is called expansion. Now, sometimes they tell you expand and simplify. Don't worry about that. Because when you expand this way, normally you have 4 items. 4, right? When you expand, because this times the first times, then after that it becomes 3 items. So you have simplified. I got one student saying, I don't understand why my school is telling me to expand and simplify. So down here now, when the 2 becomes 1, this is your simplification. Simplify means to make things neat lah. Okay, as I say many times, you have your shoes outside your house. Your shoes, slipper, sandal, stocking. So you put all the shoes one side. That's to simplify. Okay. All right. Now I hope you all are okay. Let us move now to the next one. Okay, the next one. Okay, now there's so far you see all of these are plus. Let us look at when we have a minus. Can we try now? Okay, then later completing the square, we'll be able to see this. Okay, you try now plus. Just give me a moment. All right, let's see this one. Oh, we got a first answer. Who is the first one? Is it? Oh, I'm lagging. Am I? Okay. I will now switch to this. Okay, thank you for telling me. Because just now earlier on, I used my. Okay, I hope I'm not lagging anymore. Let's see whether it's better now. Inshira, very nice background. I see the same background in Zahira's. Okay. Inshira, what's your answer? Type in lah. I can see that Inshi, you're getting better at maths. Oh, I see. Okay, congratulations, Inshira. What about the rest? Shafi, come on, Shafi. Shafi, are you lagging, Shafi? Shafi, no. Shafi, no. Shafi, you're going back to the old game, Shafi. Shafi, okay. We. Shafi, okay. All right, I just explain some things on the board, Ken. So now, sometimes you give certain answers you learn in school, which is correct, but sometimes is okay. So let us look at the relationship lah. Okay. You can continue if you are still that thing, or we look at this relationship. Okay. So now there's 3 different types of relationship. One is A plus 8 square, which means A plus 8 plus A plus 8. There's another one, a minus 8 square, which means a minus 8, a minus 8. And there's a third relationship, a plus 8 and a minus 8. When you get this third one, minus, plus, and minus, a, same number, 8, 8, same number, you are going to have only the first and last term, which is what Shafi'i did, a squared minus 64. Confirmed. I will show you now. I will show you now. A times a squared. A times 8 minus 8a. Why? A times minus 8. Plus 8 times a plus a, 8a. 8 times 8, 64. Plus times minus minus. Can you see this one? It cancels out. Can see that? If you cannot see. This part now down here, it cancels out. Minus 8a. No more lah, no more a, only a squared minus 64. So Shafi'i, your answer for that is this form. What their question is giving is this one. So let us look at the pattern. A times a squared. A times minus 8 minus 8a. Minus 8 times a minus 8a. 8 times 8, 64. Minus times minus plus. Notice, this is plus. This one is minus. Notice difference. This one you can simplify. Get minus 16a. You owe mommy $8. You owe daddy $8. So you owe minus 16a. So now if you look at this, notice, notice, compare with this. Compare with this. Let us compare the three of them. A times a squared. 8 times 8 plus 8a. 8 times a plus 8a. And then 8 times 8, 64. So notice, a squared plus 16a plus 64. Almost the same. Only the minus. See, a squared, 64, 64. Plus, plus. Only this one minus, this one plus. Notice, And then what about the one at the bottom? When down here you see a squared, 64, 64. But this is plus, this is plus, this is minus. And there's no center term. This is when you have like that. So now if you have like this, anytime I give you like that, let's say now a, sorry, the ink is running out. Let's say now we have x minus 10 square, x plus 10. You know the pattern is going to come up with only two terms. Why? Because same. 1 plus 1 minus. So x times x, x square. 100 times 100, 10 times 10, 100. Put a minus here. Would always be like that. Always. And then when you do a plus 8 square, center one will be plus. A minus 8, center one is minus. But the last one is plus because minus times minus give you plus. So these two, the last one will always be plus. This one like that, plus and minus, the last one will be minus. These are patterns you look out for, okay? Mathematics teaches you to look out for patterns. In your life, you're going to have patterns. Don't only think, hey, girls only got patterns. Boys also got patterns. Men also got patterns. Okay, you observe your father, all right, or your uncles or whoever. You find that they also go through mood swings, But anyway, I'm not here to teach you about that. Let us go through now. 7. Okay, we try. This one we already done, right? We have done this one. The answer is a squared. A squared minus 16a plus 64. Okay, we move on to the next one. Let us see who has sent me the answer. Inshi. Okay. What about the rest? Okay. Move on to this one also. You can do D and F. D and F. Do D and F. I'll check. So Inshi, your answer is correct for D. Congratulations. Okay, Shafi'i, all right. Shafi'i for D, okay. Okay, Ryan, come, we do together, Ryan. For D, yeah, we must do together. You tell me, hold on, let me just write it down now down here. The rest you continue with E and F, okay? If you have finished the F already, you do the E lah. Okay, let's practice. Oh, lama, this one. So Ryan, what we do, always you take this one, jap aja. Hold on, Okay. Ryan, you always take this is the first position, second position. First position. So always first and first. So 7 times 7, you got it correct, 49. Well done. Okay, this is no problem. Then the second position is 7 times 2D. So now, 7 times 2, what's your answer?
14.
14. Then don't forget the D lah. But this one is minus, right? Because plus times minus is minus. Same thing. 2 times 7. 14 also, right? 14D. Again, the same thing. Minus times plus is minus. Then the last one, Ryan. 2 times 2. What's your answer? 2 times 2. 4. D times D, D squared. Now minus times minus, Ryan. Plus. Okay. So now you have 4 terms, you know. This center part, okay, we write this one number, right? 49. This one, the last one, plus 4D squared. These two, we don't need to change it. Why? Because there's no other terms like that. Only this one. You owe $14 to your mom. You owe $14 to your dad. So you owe $28 to them both. Like that. Get it, huh? Get it, okay? Okay, let's see. Okay, Inshira and Shafi'i for question number F. Okay, well done. Only thing, both of you make the same mistake. I feel as if you're communicating with each other. You're communicate each other. K times K, how come both of you write K? K times K, K squared lah. Hello. It cannot be that both of you make the same mistake. You get the same answer. Aduh, okay, never mind lah. Coincidence lah. Coincidence. Okay, never mind. We move on. We move on. We move on. Don't do yet, Ryan. Don't do it. We are going to move on. Going to move on. So you all know your mistake, don't copy lah. I'm not saying you're copying, but it looks very suspicious. Okay, but anyway. We try now this one. Boom. And G we have not done. Okay, these two. G and I. G and I. Oh, and G, you got the answer for E, is it? Okay, G and I. Okay, I just have a look. G and I, Okay, Inshira, congratulations on your E. All right, well done. Good. So you all are getting better and better. Well done. You need to practice this, Mathematics, as I said, is about practicing. You don't practice, very tough. The same for any skill, cycling, even fighting also. Okay? I mean, you need to practice lah. Okay, we got Inshira coming in with G. We got Ryan too. Same answer as Inshira. And your answers are both correct. We are waiting for Mr. Shafi'i. Shafi'i, G, please. So congratulations, Ryan. What's Shafi'i also correct. Well done. So now we go to I. Yeah. Come on. Keep the track record as in all okay. Yeah. Shafi'i, how Shafi'i? Are you okay? You are in Shira's house, is it? No. All right, Inshira has gotten the answer. Let us see whether she's correct. Okay, congratulations, Inshira. While waiting for the rest, can you do J, please? Ryan, congratulations. Well done. And okay, Inshira don't need to do. Inshira don't need to do. Well done. Okay, just a slight difference. Both answers, all your answers are all correct. Yeah. So like Shafi 4/3p, not p squared. So the center one, Inshira and Shafi write like that, and Ryan wrote like that. This is the same thing lah. Okay, same thing. Just to tell you, in case there's two ways of writing this. Okay, well done. Congratulations. So you are not bad. Not bad. Okay, we move on now to the next skill. The next skill. Notice this one. Same. You try now. Look for the pattern. Try. You can do this. Expanding out now, then after a while you can see the shortcut. You expand out first no problem. Okay, so that you become confident later on, you know the shortcut after that. Okay, we have answers coming in. Let us see. Shafi for A, congratulations. Inshira for A, congratulations. Okay, Ryan, come, we do together, Ryan. Okay, careful, because you got to be careful. The rest continue, A times A is not 2A, Ryan. Remember, A squared. Agree? Okay, A times minus 9 plus times minus is minus 9A. Plus 9 times A plus 9A. Notice this one down here, center term cancels out. Do you notice that? Is because 9A minus 9A, then the last one is minus 81 lah. You're correct. Okay, this last one, no problem. So the answer is just A squared minus 81. Okay. Okay, Inshira, second one, correct. Okay. You move on to this one, C also. Ryan, don't need to do D, do C. Mr. Shafi, if you can do D also, alhamdulillah. You cannot do, it's okay. Okay. Shafi, something wrong, Shafi. Inshira, congratulations. Shafi, don't forget, Shafi. Don't do shortcut yet, never mind. Do long cut first. Do long cut first, Shafi, never mind. Okay, Inshira, you do E also lah. Okay, come. Okay, we are gonna go through. Ryan, almost there. Ryan, almost there. You are doing which one? C, right? Okay, Ryan, 6 times 6. What's your answer? 6 times 6. How can you get 3? 6 times 6 is okay. All right, 6 times 6, 36. Then C times C, C squared. Okay, minus 1. This is the answer. Okay, you okay, Ryan? Center term will disappear lah. What is the center term? 6C times minus 1 is minus 6C. Then 1 plus times 6C plus. So this center term will disappear. Why? Because 1 is plus, 1 minus will disappear. What's left is this one. Okay, you all try question E lah. Question E. Next one. Shafi'i for question number D, correct? Okay, all of us do E, come. If you can see the pattern, you can do shortcut straight. If you can see the pattern. Wah, Insyirah can see the pattern say, tapi salah lah. Insyirah, salah. Dia macam hayal macam banyak problem You got a lot of problem No, right? You must be a happy person lah. Be happy. You're in your teenage years. You should be happy. Okay, I show you a very simple way, a very fast way. Once you finish this one, a very fast way for all of them. Shafi, congratulations. Inshi, you missed out a number. You got 4K and 4K. Why you only get K square? Well, I like K Brown. Well, you may like K Brown, but it's 4K times 4K. Is no okay for K square. No okay. Inshi, see 4K times 4K. Ryan, congratulations, Ryan. Yes, okay, all of you, well done. Okay, so now, well done, all of you got the correct answer now. Okay, now I want you to look. This is now the shortcut. You need to check first. First term and first term same. Second term and second term same. Only difference is the one is plus, one is minus. What do? Take h times h square. Then take the last term. 4 times 4, 16. K times k square. This will always be a minus. Always. If this one is plus, then something is wrong. So this one now, you tell me now. 9 times 9, 81. H times h square. K times k square. Just put a minus. I don't even need to expand. Can you all see the pattern or not? Because this is 9h, k is the same thing. We don't need to, we just square this and then minus. That's it. Okay? But make sure you check properly. Don't, if they write, let us see. I'll show you some of them. They might be out to trick you. You got to be careful, okay? So now down here. Maybe down here. Let's see. This one 7M. Okay. So this one you all try to do the shortcut one, can? Do short one for G and H. Shortcut, where is the reduce? G and H. Don't be scared of H. Just rearrange. If you need to rearrange, you rearrange. If you need to rearrange, you rearrange. You can rearrange this one. You can rearrange this one. Congratulations, Inshira, for G. Congratulations, Ryan, for G. And H. I give you the clue. This one, you try to rearrange it. Congratulations to Mr. Shafi for G. Now for H. Change the one I underline. And then you can see the lights. Inshi, let's see Inshi, whether she get it correct. Miss Inshi, congratulations, Miss Inshira. She's gotten it correct. Miss Inshira can collect a free present from your mommy. Did you rearrange the what I underline? It helps, Ryan, rearrange what I underline. Try to switch places between the two. Then you can see the light. And as you know, we need to see the light. Shafi also, you switch places. This one, and this one, switch places. Follow the same pattern, then you can see what is supposed to be plus, what is supposed to be minus. And Shira, what problems do you have in school for maths? Why don't you send me some questions that you don't know? You know all the questions. You know all those that you don't know. You know, Alhamdulillah. Did you have any recent tests? How do you do for your recent test?
Only the WA1.
WA1.
Like, that's the only test that I have for this year. Like
how do you do?
Good.
Wow. How much is good? Tell us lah.
26/30.
Wow. And how much do you? What was last year? End of year exam. How do you do last year?
Last year, I can't remember.
I remember, but it's good. Okay, 26. That's like 90%, almost 90%. You know that in secondary school there's no such thing as A1. Mr. Shafi, there is, remember, Shafi, you did not arrange it properly. You have 3 terms. You must only have 2 terms. So far, you always have 2 terms. If you have 3 terms, that means there's something wrong somewhere. Okay, we are going to go through this now. Ryan, do you rearrange this, Ryan? You see, 4n minus 11m.
Yeah, saya nak answer already.
Send me an answer.
Yeah.
Oh, congratulations, Ryan. Okay. So, Shafi, you must rearrange this. So this one, you make it the same. This is 4n plus 11m. Now you have the same thing, Shafi. Can you see not? The center unit will be gone. 4 times 4, 16n square. 4n, n times n. Then minus 11 times 11, 121. M times m square. Finish. Done. The moment you have center, something is wrong. You have only the first unit and the last unit. The second unit, remember, second and third cancel out. Okay, we try in the next two. We try I and L. I and L. You can do this, I and L. I and L. Inshi correct? Shafi correct for I? Good?
Can I think something?
Okay, Ryan, you need 10 times 10, 100, correct? P times P, P squared, yes, correct? Half times half. Half times half, Ryan. You can use your calculator, or you can use like that. See half times half here. You can see here. Yes, well done. Okay, so correct, well done. And the last one, L. L. Same thing, as I said, you can rearrange this one. Then you'll be able to see the light. Congratulations, Inshira. Well done. Oh, champion, means are you the highest in class, is it? One of the highest, One of the highest, yes.
The highest is 28, then
Oh, 20.
27, then 26.
Wow, you are third, boleh tahan sih. Wow. It'd be good to help the others who are struggling, because once you help the others, you will understand the concept better. Confirm. This is the Allah's way. Okay, Insha, you can do K also lah while waiting. Okay, stretch yourself a little bit and yeah, let's see. Okay, Ryan. Let's see, Ryan. Congratulations, except remember, it cannot be plus, it must be minus second term. Right? Because once you switch, if you are plus, it doesn't work. Remember down here, it becomes 3p, 4p plus, right? Then this one times, you know what I'm talking about? Yes, huh? So it must be minus. Whenever you get this plus minus, the second term must always be minus. So, sorry, this one becomes like that. Huh? So when this times this, minus times plus is minus. Okay, we will now, Shafi'i, congratulations, but you forgot your Q square. Okay, Shafi'i. Yeah, you forgot your Q square. Yes, Shafi'i. You need to have Q square. All right, don't move on anymore. We will move on to that thing. Inshira, if you can complete, great. If you cannot complete, it's okay. Can you see this one? Expand and simplify. So you do the same thing. Can you see the screen? How come suddenly? Hold on. Okay. Can you do A and B, please? Expand and simplify. Don't worry about it. Just expand first. Later, you will automatically simplify. Okay, let's see who is. Inshira, something is wrong. Something wrong, your answer, Inshira. This one you must expand like normal. Huh? Don't just put x square. Huh? Cannot. Huh? Okay, Ryan. Okay, first one I'm going to show you all of you. Okay. Now, this one you must do like normal. What is normal? Like this. You must do, you cannot just say x square 4. That one is when it's plus and minus. Remember, I told you must be plus and minus. What do you mean plus and minus? I show you now plus and minus. If it's like that, if it's like this, then you can square and then put a minus. But this is not like that. This is a plus. So this one will be what? When you expand it, you get x square. Then you have 4x. Then you have 4. So now, what to do? Then you need to plus with the first part. What is the first part? First part is 6x squared. See, 6x squared. Then you look at these two you can add together. You don't get 8x squared, you get 7x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, I hope this is okay. Can you try the next one then? Try the next one then. Shira, congratulations. Shira, if you're like that, you must try to go for express. Try your best to go to express. I work very hard. Try now. You don't want to go express. If you can score, why not? Maybe in Shira you can. You are still waiting for the rest. Sorry. Okay, in Shira, you try the next one. 6. Okay, so parts of it you got it correct, Ryan. This one, when you expand, let us see. Okay, we expand together, Ryan. Okay, something went wrong lah. You're waiting on Shafi. Shafi. Okay, Shafi. Okay, Shafi, you do 6. You do 6. Okay, together in Shira A and B. Ryan, we do this one now. So this one is 3x minus 7. We cannot just do shortcut because shortcut, as I say, is only for 3x plus 7, 3x minus 7. This one 3x minus 7, 3x minus 7. So then after that you have plus 49 here. So we do lah down here. Oh, hold on. That's 49. So 3x times 3x, you get 9x squared. Okay, you got 9x squared, right? You forgot the x squared. 9x squared. That is first term times first term. Then first times second. 3 times 7, 21. X. Plus times minus, minus. Then down here, minus times plus. Minus also. 7 times 3, 21. X. 7 times 7, 49. Plus 49. Plus 49, you know. Because minus 7 times minus 7, right? Plus 49. Right? Minus 7 times minus 7 is plus 49. Then you have another plus 49 here. So you are correct. This is actually 98, but it's plus 98 here, Ryan. You're correct. Down here is 9x, but there's a square down here. Okay. So you need to just group this together. You owe $21 to your mom, owe $21 to your dad. You owe a total of $42 to your mom and dad. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, you get it, Ryan? If you don't get it, you must watch the video, okay? Must watch the video. So Ryan, let us not go through the thing. We just for a while. Okay, Ryan, you do. Okay, Ryan can do. You all can do 6 now. Inshira can do. Oh, cannot. Okay. So we do together this one. Later you all do the next one together. I just show you how to do this one. Now, a squared plus b squared equals to 6. AB equals to 3. What does it mean? It means you have to expand this first. Let us expand this. When you expand AB, A plus B times A plus B. A plus B plus A plus B. Okay, Shafi, can you tell me what's the expansion of A plus B equals to? You memorize it, you roughly know. Can you tell me the expansion? Cannot. Okay, what about, if you cannot, ask Inshira. Inshira can tell me? You expand, what does it become? Do you know? You memorize right?
A square plus B
plus AB plus BA equals to 2AB. I do not know whether you memorize. Then after that, plus B squared. When you expand this and simplify, you will get this. See, A times A squared. A times B, 1AB. B times A, 1AB. All together, you add them up, you get 2AB. Then B times B, B squared. Then let us look carefully at what they say. Oh, A squared plus B squared equals 6. AB equals to 3. I'm going to rearrange this down here. A squared plus B squared plus 2AB. Why I do this? Because they tell me what, you see, this is equals to what? A squared plus B squared. They tell me this is equals to 6. So I write 6 here. 6 plus what? 2AB. 2, what is AB? AB is equals to 3. So I bracket it 3 like that. 2 times 3, 6. So 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. Okay, one by one. Inshira, do you understand, Inshira? Ryan, do you get it, Ryan? No. Shafi, do you get it? Okay, so we first we times out this one. When times out, you get A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. So then they tell you that A squared plus B squared equals to 6. I can see A squared, I can see B squared. So I'm going to shift this A, B squared here. You see? A squared plus B squared. So this one down here now, Ryan, is equal to 6. This one is equal to 6. Why equals to 6? They tell me this is equal to 6. So this is 6. Yeah, 6. Then the 2AB, I bring it down here. 2AB, for AB is 3. 2AB is 2 times 3 lah. 6 or so. 6 plus 6, 12. Now you all try for this one now. Expand this, you can look at the example over there. Oh, someone has sent me answer. Congratulations, Miss Inshira. Well done. Tired already. Okay, this is a good sign. If you are tired, it's a good sign. It means you all have been working very, very hard. But I cannot move this thing now. How to move this thing? So, Inshira, are you teaching your younger sister? Max?
No. You
Why?
are my best friend.
She's
She never
Ayana,
asked
right?
for help. She never asked for help. Because
But does she understand?
you are my sister. I don't know. She never asked me. She understand, I think.
Oh, I see, I see. Okay, all right. That's Anika. Anika looks a little bit slimmer now. She's been dancing more, I think. Okay, come on, Shafi. Shafi, are you stuck, Shafi? Shafi, you look still. Is he lagging or what? Aduh, he's upside down now, Shafi. Dia pening lah. Shafi. Ryan, can do now, Ryan? Ryan, are you okay? Right? Are you okay? Okay, we do together. We do together. We check, we see lah, we see. Okay, so now let us see now. Okay, so now you expand this, what you get? You get a squared minus 2ab. I'm giving you the simplified version after the thing. Sorry. Suddenly disappear lah. Minus 2ab plus b squared. This is what you get when you expand this. Now they tell you the same thing, a squared plus b squared equals to 6. I'm going to put it down here, a squared. I'm going to bring the b squared beside a squared equal plus b squared. Then minus 2ab. I've just shifted, I hope you all can see, I just shifted this plus b squared. I brought it here. That's all I've done. And then they tell me that a squared plus b squared is 6. So this is equals to 6. And then minus 2, AB is how much? AB they tell me is 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. So it means 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 equals to 0. Okay, I hope you all get it. You all look tired now. Okay, never mind. We have 10 minutes more. We try in the next few, okay? We try next few. Okay, it's a good sign that you are tired, means you are thinking. Okay, you try all the 7 and 8. Okay, do whatever you can, 7 and 8. Shafi, you look very tired, Shafi. Okay not, Shafi? You look macam the days already. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Ryan. Okay. Those who have difficulty, okay, we can do together. Okay, thank you, Ryan, for telling me I'm muted. You know, there's one class. I spoke for 5 minutes now. I was thinking, how come the students are so unresponsive? What's wrong with the students? I realized I was on mute. Okay, Inshira 992. Let us see whether you're right. Okay, Ryan, come. Ryan, you imagine now there is a bracket like that, Ryan. You can put a bracket within a bracket. You do the one inside the bracket first. So we times h times h square. H square, yeah. See, I myself getting tired. H square, h times k. The next one is h times k. Hong Kong. H, Allah, Allah, Allah. So HK. Allah. Why it keep disappearing, man? Okay, I don't think you can see what's happening, but anyway. So H times K is HK. K times H is also HK. You want to write KH can, but then after you're confused, you see. Alright. You see K times H, KH. H times H, K. We follow alphabetically. H come in first, we put the H in front. So if you get B times A, Ryan, don't write BA bar, write AB. Okay, alphabetical order lah. Ryan, okay. So now down here now, Ryan, we put HK. So then plus K times K, K squared. Actually down here already, if you want, you can already substitute the value inside here. You see, I'm going to write it now down here. H square, HK, 2HK. I write on this side, right? And then plus K squared. Plus K squared, Okay, plus K squared. So now down here, and then this is 4. So H square plus K square, can you see, Ryan? H square plus K square is here, 20. So again, I just copy down here, 4 outside. Inside the bracket, I put 20 lah. Then HK is 11, is 2HK. So it's 2 times 11 lah. See, 2HK. 1HK is 11. 2HK is HK times 2, 11 times 2, 22. So it's on 22. So Inshira, yours is very big, Inshira. 20 plus 22 is 42. Then 42 times 4. There's a 4 outside here. What? So what do you get? It's 168. I'm calculating everything mentally. 4 times 4, 160. 168. Anyone got 168? Shafi can do not, Shafi? Do you get 168? Yes. No. Maybe you all are tired already lah. You all look tired. Okay, we do the last sum lah. B lah, B. Last sum lah. Offer lah. Aduh. Offer, last sum. Inshira, your 966 is for B or A? A, right? But you know your mistake, Inshira says the answer is minus 32. I've got a feeling it might be, yeah, but never mind. I got a feeling the answer is 0, but let us check. I mean, you try. This is what. Oh, Inshira, your answer is correct. Minus 32 is correct. Congratulations. Wow, champions, eh? So, do you plan to become a maths teacher, Inshira? No. Okay. Let's see, you all want me to go through now? I think I go through. Okay, you all check your answer lah. All right. So I expand. You have 14. Sorry, not 14. Ensure you check whether my that thing is right or wrong. Okay. Okay. So 16 h square. Okay. Then you get minus 32 hk. Am I correct? And then plus 16 k square. Right? Yeah. This is correct, right? Okay, so now bring this thing over to here. So I'll write it with a different color lah. Okay, so you can see. Okay, we are ending it. We are ending it. We are ending it. Just a little bit more. So you get 16 h square plus 16 k square minus 32 hk. So I'm going to h square plus k square is equals to 20. So you have 16 of them, is 16 times 20 lah. Correct or not? You got 16 sets, what? So 16 times 20 minus 32 times hk times 11. So your answer, once you expand out, you get minus 32. Alah, I can see you all are tired already lah. Okay, never mind. You watch the video if you don't understand. But remember, next week the lesson is 8 o'clock, because we're gonna book her about 7:15. Then you do your prayers. Okay, my suggestion is to continue the lessons. All the other lessons are continued. But if you feel Ramadan, you wanna have lesser, that thing, up to you. Okay, you can tell me directly or tell your parents, and then I'll decide for the whole class lah. If two persons want to stop during Ramadan, one person want to, I'll stop it lah. Okay, but yeah, I'll go by the majority. Okay, all right then. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.